Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today I'm working on a door tag and I'm using the Cottontail Farms transfer. I'm just applying the paste with the squeegee, put it on, scrape off the excess, and remove the transfer. It's that easy. Okay, now I'm putting the carrot and it's a 2-layer transfer for the carrot. Putting the first layer on the little tag that I'm going to put on top. Now for the bunny. Now this technique, it's called a bunch of things. A hot mess, marbling. Anyway, you're just going to put a dab of a few colors on there. I used almond and greige. And then you take your finger in a circular motion and you blend it in. Then take a squeegee, scrape off the excess, and then there you go. Okay, now back to the small tag on the carrots, and I'm putting the second layer on. And this time I'm using shimmer copper. I'm going to put that on the top. Now there's a little bit of grass on the bottom of the bunny. Kind of get him so he's not floating, kind of sitting on something. And that I believe I use meadow. There's a little flower sprig also, and I'm putting that on both sides. I'm just going to use daffodil on both sides. Squeegee on, take off the excess, remove it. A little glue dot for the bow, and put a bow on top, and it's ready to hang on my door. There it is on the front door. You can use this any place you would use a wreath. I love these door tags. Happy Easter.